How to cancel all subscriptions on Cash App card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about canceling all subscriptions on the Cash App card. So you can cancel the subscription on the Cash App card through the app on iOS or Android. You have to first open the Cash App and log into your specific account, then go to deposits and transfers, and then find recurring payments and turn off the auto add cash toggle to cancel all the subscriptions. You can also cancel the Cash App subscription through the customer service. Contact the Cash App customer service in the app. Request may take days to proceed. Open the Cash App and then log in and tap in the profile icon. Scroll down and select support. Then under the contact us option, select chat. Type a message in the chat box like, "Hello, I want to cancel my Cash App card subscriptions." Now click on send to start chatting with the support. And in order to cancel a single Cash App subscription, you can contact the merchant directly. Various services have different cancellation process, so it may take a few days for the cancellation to be processed. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.